The cost of the length of fence is directly proportional to its length. The cost of 3 metres is £64.50. Calculate the cost of a fence of length A, 7 metres, and B, 1.5 metres. The important thing to realise that this is directly proportional, so making a table with the two quantities, we have length and we have cost, and we know that 3 metres costs £64.50, and we want to first of all find out how much 7 metres costs. So what we have to work out is what do I multiply 3 by in order to get 7? And the answer will always be this number divided by this number. So that's going to be 7 over 3. And because we have a direct proportion, because this goes up by 7 over 3, then this side will also go up by 7 over 3. So the cost of 7 metres will be 7 over 3 times the £64.50, which, if I use my calculator and the fraction button, will be £150.50. For part B, we've got length in metres and cost in pounds. Again, we start with the idea that 3 metres costs £64.50, and now we want to find out how much 1.5 metres cost. How do we go from 3 to 1.5? Well, we multiply by 1.5 over 3, and this is okay, we can just use the fraction button on our calculator to put that in. So if this goes down by 1.5 over 3, then this side will go down by the same amount, 1.5 divided by 3. So to find the cost of 1.5 metres, we are going to do 1.5 over 3, and again I say use the fraction button on your calculator, times 64.5, which is equal to £32.25. Okay, so there's been a video to show you how to use direct proportion. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.